Hello, everyone. Everything I'm going to explain today comes directly from the technicians at this well-known appliance repair shop. So relax because we're going to solve this issue together. When a customer brings in their Smeg dishwasher showing E3, they usually say something like, "It stopped mid-cycle and E3 appeared. It's not washing anything." We explained that this code usually indicates a drainage problem or an issue with the water pump, and the dishwasher locks itself to protect the system and prevent further damage. Interestingly, many customers tell us it was working perfectly yesterday and today the error appeared, which matches what we see in the shop. Essentially, this message pops up when the water isn't draining properly, and the system automatically stops the cycle. That's why the first thing we check in the shop is the filters and drains, because sometimes it's as simple as cleaning out leftover food or small objects that are blocking the water. One technician told us, "I removed the small spoon that was stuck and it started working again." So it's always good to look at the simplest causes first. Meanwhile, if the filters and drains are clean but the error keeps appearing, we start inspecting the drain pump or motor, which could be failing. A technician explains, if the pump isn't moving water, the board detects a problem and triggers E3. This is quite common in older machines with several years of use. We also check the hoses and drain connections because a bent, crushed, or clogged tube can generate the same error. Some customers say, "I straightened it out and it washed normally again." So often there's no need to replace anything, just adjust or clean. On the other hand, in rarer cases, the problem may be the control board that manages the pump and monitors water flow. It's not the most common cause, but we do see it in older dishwashers or those exposed to power surges. As one technician notes, "Before replacing the board, I always check the motor and connections because most of the time it's just a physical blockage."